Hello tutorial, so I'm going to show you now the 7.0 Richter scale earthquake in Celebs C in my method, which I call Ikeeps earthquake program. So Ikeeps earthquake program, it's the system that I show you the epicenter of the earthquake according to the position of the moon and the sun. So first let me show you the position of the moon and the sun. Just a moment. I need day and night world. So it's here. We're going to put this in right time, and the right time of the earthquake was 6 o'clock in the morning according to UTC time. So that was 6. Minute was 13, and I think it was what, just a moment, how many seconds? 47 seconds. So everything is very important. 47 seconds. Now we're going to change the time, and we are going to get position of the moon and the sun. Blow this much as we can. So this is the position of the moon and the sun in the moment of the earthquake. Now I'm going to read you the data here, and I'm going to enter this data into the map. Position of the moon and position of the sun. Now please consider that I don't have a digital drawing here, I mean vector drawing, and all the data that I will enter, I mean the value of this degrees, it's handmade, so it may be in fact that there's going to be a very tiny little distance between the epicenter and the difference between what I'm going to show you as epicenter, but this is completely irrelevant because I repeat once again, this is not the vector drawing, and each time if I just missed 1 millimeter or part of a millimeter on the card, that will result that the epicenter will be not in the right on the, or official place. So first you're going to enter the position of the sun and the anti-position of the sun, or so-called anti-meridian and anti-parallel position. So let's go. This is the position of the sun. I take the blue lines because they are much more visible. I can also squeeze with this map now because you can see the whole map like this, like this. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to enter the coordinates of the moon and the anti-coordinates. I use a green color, or purple, sorry, because white is not very visible. The meridian and the anti-meridian of the moon. Now I'm going to mark the epicenter just for orientation, so you can see it where the epicenter is. Okay, so I will do that with the red lines, with the red color. So this is the epicenter here. Now I'm going to blow up the map and to show you these lines, I repeat again, are not entered precisely because I don't own the program that can vectorally draw the line above and the map of the world. And if anyone have such program or knows such program where I can vectorally draw this line here, I will be very grateful if you tell me which program this is. So this is the epicenter of the earthquake in Celebs, Celebs C. Celebs C. This is the epicenter. Now I'm going to zoom out, and we are going to connect certain position of this line crossing, and I will show you now how we're going to get the epicenter. I can do that for any earthquake in the world, which is natural earthquake, of course. So let's draw the first line. So the first line, we're going to draw this line, position of the sun, with the negative position of the moon, and we're going to connect to the positive position of the moon, of the sun. I'm sorry, negative position of the sun. This is the anti-meridian of the sun. This one is the anti-meridian of the sun. Now we're going to take another line, which will bring us to the epicenter, which is here. As you can see, this is slightly different here. I can show you now. Just a moment to draw the line. So we'll connect this one here. This is position of the sun with the position of the negative position of the sun, with anti-position of the sun, okay? Anti-meridian, okay? So now let me show you the epicenter. You will see how small difference it is, and this is because my drawing it's not very accurate. So this is the official epicenter, and this is my epicenter. But this difference is because I did not enter exactly decimal value for each line. That means position of the moon, position of the sun, and also anti-position of the moon and anti-position of the sun. And when you make a slight difference in drawing, then this position can never match the earthquake, the earthquake epicenter, yes, because this is also not in effect the true epicenter, because these lines are also drawn by the hand, not by the vectors. So this is it. This is not important at all. I will show you that. So this is my epicenter. This is the epicenter of the so-called official epicenter, but it's not, because neither this one is correct, because this line I cannot draw very precisely. Let me show you what I mean. For example, 444 north, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is the 44 here? Do you understand? So I just have slightly different data here, which I must draw, because I don't have, if I enter, for example, 444 north, and a digital map will exactly put this in the right place, I can assure you 100%, I give anything for that this two epicenter will match exactly in a millimeter. It doesn't matter, as you can see, it's not, this epicenter is not in Australia, it's not in Croatia, it's not in Italy, it's not anywhere, it's here according to my system. So this earthquake, I show you the epicenter just according to the position of the moon and the sun. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.